Hello everyone, welcome to Money Magnet. Everyone want to earn money from different methods and we keep bringing new methods and new platforms for you to earn money online. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our Facebook group. Today's earning method is related to Snapchat. Everyone knows about Snapchat. Sign up with the link in the description box and you can join the referral program Snapchat. You will get this link, share with your friends and get referrals. This is scorecard. Here higher score player will be mentioned here. These are the rewards you will get after joining the program. Caps with the logo. Here are some few important questions. How to become Snapchat advocate? You will have to get 20 referrals. How to earn points? You will just have to keep inviting your friends. Can I create multiple accounts? No, you can't create multiple accounts because you have to just invite your friends those haven't ever used Snapchat. There are some few other questions people would like to ask. You can read also by visiting the sites. How do I earn the points? Once you have earned minimum 100 points, you will be start getting your gifts. Here is a profile. You have to complete this profile and your gifts will be given in the address. Here are the gifts with the Snapchat logo.